Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this session of 10th Mathematics Part 1st. The topic is Probability Part 3. In this session, we are going to discuss with sample space and problems based on this content. Means we are going to discuss on practice set 5.2. Friends, in the previous session of this probability part 2, we have been discussed with the following important subtopics of this chapter, that is outcome and equally likely outcomes. So, and problems from the practice set 5.1. Friends, today in this session we are going to discuss on sample space. So, sample space. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the sample space. It is denoted by letter S or omega. Each element of the sample space is called a sample point. The number of elements in the set S is denoted by n of S. If n of S is the finite, then the sample space is said to be the finite sample space. Friends, following are some examples of the finite sample spaces. Tossing a coin. If you consider this one of the experiment, then possible outcomes are head or tail. Therefore, sample space S will be head and tail. That should be written in the curly bracket. Therefore, the number of sample points in S will be n of S is equal to 2. Let us take one more example. We will carry the experiment. Tossing a die. Possible outcomes are the numbers from 1 to 6. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Therefore, sample space S will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, we can write the number of sample points in S will be n of S is equal to 2. Friends, let us take experiment to number 3. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. Possible outcomes are head head, head tail, tail head or tail tail. So, sample space can be written as S is equal to HH, ST, TH and TT. Therefore, number of sample points in S will be n of S is equal to 4. Let us take experiment number 4. 3 coins are to be tossed. Possible outcomes are head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, 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 tail, 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 head, tail, 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 head, tail, 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 like that. So, the sample space S could be written as triple H, double ST, STH, THH, HTT, TST, double TH and triple T. Therefore, number of sample points in S will be n of S is equal to 4. Let us take one more experiment 5. A card is drawn from a pack bearing numbers from 1 to 25. Then sample space S will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that till 25. Therefore, number of sample points in S will be n of S is equal to 25. Friends, let us take one more experiment 6. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. What will happen? You will get the sample space as 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Then 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1. And 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Like that, if you count this, you are getting this will be totally 36. So, number of sample points in S will be n of S is equal to 36. Now, let us take experiment 7. A card is drawn from a well-shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. Friends, here you can see the sample space S will be diamond from S to heart. That is a diamond, heart, spade and club. These are the 4 different types of these playing cards. In each you will get 13 cards from Ace to King. Ace 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then Jack, Queen and King. For each, that is diamond, heart and spade and club. Therefore, you will get the number of sample points in S will be n of S is equal to 52. If you count this, you are getting a 52. In each 13 means 13 into 4 types of cards. So, that will be 13 4s are 52. Picking 2 marbles one at a time from a bag that contains many blue and red marbles. Here possible outcomes are blue blue, blue red, red blue and red red. Therefore sample space S will be BB, BR, RB and RR. Therefore the number of sample points in S will be N of S is equal to 4. Friends, now let us the practice set 5.2. Number 1. For each of the following experiment, write sample space S and the number of sample points N of S. The first is one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. What will happen? Here, sample space S will be H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 and T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. A coin having head and tail and a die have 1 to 6. Therefore, the combination will be like this. Therefore, here you are getting N of S is equal to 12. 2-digit numbers are found during digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. Friends, here the sample space S will be 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 2 and 5, 3. Here, therefore, N of S is equal to, you are getting 6. Problem number 2. The arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disc. Find out on which color it may stop. You can see the figure where you could see the different colors start from red, orange, yellow, blue, green and purple. The arrow is rotating where it stops. That we have to be fine. See, there are total 6 colors on the disc that start from red to purple. Red, orange, yellow, blue, green and purple. Therefore, N of S will be 6. Arrow may stop on any one of the 6 colors. It may be on, as shown in the figure, yellow, it may be on blue, it may be green, it may be purple, it may be red or it may be orange. Number 3 problem. In the month of the March 2019, find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. You can see the adjoining calendar. You could see in the month of March, multiple of 5 you have to be calculate. Means you must know the multiplication table of 5. The dates which are multiple of 5 are 5 will be there, then 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So friend, the sample space S could be written as what are the days on which this comes. That may be Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Wednesday, Monday and Saturday. Therefore, the N of S will be equal to 6. You will get. Therefore, the days on which the date will be a multiple of 5 are Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Wednesday, Monday and Saturday. Friends, let us take problem number 4 now. Form a road safety committee of 2 boys, that may be B1 and B2, and 2 girls, that is G1 and G2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. Friends, here you could see that committee of 2 boys, then there will be only B1 and B2. 2 boys are there. The committee of 2 is there only. Secondly, the committee of 2 girls, that will be G1 and G2. If the committee of 1 boy and 1 girl is there, at that time you will get these 4 outcomes: B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1 and B2 G2. Therefore, the sample space S could be written as B1 B2, G1 G2, B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1 and B2 G2. Friends, what we have been discussed till now is, in this session we have discussed on the following subtopics of this chapter: sample space and problems from the practice set 5.2. Friends, will you try this? What is the sample space for choosing an odd number from 1 to 11 at random? What is the sample space for choosing a prime number less than 15 at random? Construct a sample space that describes all 3 child families according to the genders of the children with respect to birth order. Write the sample space for given interval 3 to 9. Friends, you should not forget the famous words of Law Virtually nothing is impossible in this world if you just put your mind to it and maintain a positive attitude. So be always positive. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. With these words, I would like to say thank you.